test drive here. I have it in sport mode, sounds really good. Steering wheel's perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it, brakes are solid. Got a little downshift here. Just see this car sounds awesome. Probably doesn't translate to video as well. But in the car here, sounds really, really good. As far as drivability goes, no complaints. Everything is solid. Shifts nice and smooth. No weird vibrations. Really nice car. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. Now this car does have PPF, so the full front clip, as well as the underside of that lower rocker, this little quarter panel section, a little piece on the back bumper, side mirrors. And so I'll go through all of that. It has yellowed. So if you look at the door and you look at the fenders, there is a very slight yellow hue difference. And it may not show up in camera, but it is there in person. And the lower it is, the more yellow it is. This top side looks pretty good actually. But full front clip PPF. You're gonna have typical rock impacts on that film. You can see where they have the relief cuts in here. So it looks good. Here on this wheel, you can see it is chipping pretty good there. You have a little chip down here, and then you have a lot of stains. All of this is just embedded into the wheel and does not want to come off. You have some cracks there in that coating. So little scuffs and scratches and cracks. You're gonna see that especially as you get closer in that barrel. Here on that edge, that looks good. This has yellowed, and you're gonna see typical rock impacts. And you have that lower strip there protecting it. Here on the side mirror, you got film on it. That looks nice. If you look at the glass and you get up close, you're gonna see it is peppered with rock impacts all throughout. Got the carbon here. Got a little white there. I think that's in the carbon. I don't think that's a sticker. Looks like it's all factory. Looking at that door. If you look at the edge right there, I don't know if those are rock chips or something, but the paint is kind of missing there. You're gonna see the lower section here. It's kind of peppered with rocks. Impacts and stuff like that. Quarter panel, a couple light scuffs, but overall in great condition. You can see that strip right there is protecting the edge. It has yellowed. Typical chips on that wheel. Got the film on the headlights. Now, they have a cloudy appearance to them, if you can see that. Gotta get up close and kind of in that right angle, but they are kind of cloudy. Same with that one. PPF on this as well. Looks really good. See the rock impacts. Little scuffs here and there. You do have some rash. I'm gonna see some right there as well. Date code on the tires here. This one's 2020. Once again, you can see in the wheel, all of that is kind of embedded into the wheel. It does not want to come off. A lot of brake dust. You can see it all in here. And when you look in these corners, you can see it looks pink almost, where the coating didn't get all the way on there, or it's really faded. Flaws rods down here. Got a deep rock chip there, a couple impacts, even though it does have film on it. Looks like those made their way through that film. You have some larger chips there, a couple gashes. Looking at the carbon here, looks really nice. A couple rock impacts on the edge. Beautiful carbon back here. That looks amazing. Very clean. If you get at the right angle, you're going to see all these surface scuffs on the carbon and the paint. Being white, it's really hard to tell though. You got a little bit there. You got film here on the underside protecting it. Got a massive carbon diffuser. Looks beautiful. Looks really nice. Really nothing to complain about back here. All of that is really, really good looking. All right, checking out the interior. Looking at that panel, it's in great condition. Got all your buttons in here, look good. Handle's nice and clean. That carbon, absolutely beautiful. Here on that bolster, that looks good. Now you do have wear on that piping. Upper section looks nice. You do have some deeper wrinkles here. All right, and then checking out under the dash here, you get way under there. You're going to see on those edges, you're going to see the rip there and the rip here. And then there's a little gash here. That's not visible from just driving, but it is underneath there. All of that looks good. Got the push button, all the carbon. Here on the steering wheel, it is matted down a little, and you can see it is dirty. Still has a pretty soft feel to it though. It looks like it was somewhat clean, but it is matted down. Those buttons look good. All of that looks really nice. The rest of that's clean. E-brake handle looks good. On the front right door panel, you do have a couple stains there on the speaker cover. Upper section looks good. The rest of that is really nice. Got all the carbon here. That looks amazing. Here on that bolster, nice and clean. I'm not seeing any wear on the seat here. Looks good. Carpets look amazing. Dash looks nice. Upper section looks good. You have just Alcantara everywhere in here. Then looking in the back, not much of a back seat, but it does have one. All of that looks really nice. Here in the back, you got your trickle charger port there. Owner's manual. Looking at the engine, looks good. Now you do have some scratches on the underside there on that carbon. All of this is carbon. Looks really good.